Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Okay, let's look at some more questions in this exercise. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumferences of two circles. Let us say this is radius of circle 1, this is radius of circle 2. Okay. Now we have a third circle. Let us say this is our required circle with radius r. Okay, and its circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, but this circumference 2 pi r is equal to the sum of circumferences of these two circles. So 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. What is r1? r1 is 19, r2 is 9 centimeter. These are radii. Okay, so what I am trying to tell you is that if I cancel 2 pi from both sides, r is nothing but equal to r1 plus r2, right? We need a bigger circle with the circumference equal to the sum of circumferences of smaller circles, right? And we need to calculate its radius. Its radius will be nothing but the sum of their radii of the smaller circles. Okay, so this is my answer, 19 plus 9, which is equal to 28 centimeter. Okay. Now in this case the radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of areas of these two circles. This time there are two smaller circles, and if you add their areas, this is just symbolic. Okay, you will get a third circle. Let us say this is r1 radius circle, this is r2, and this is r. So what I am saying is, if you add the areas of these two circles, you will get the area of our required circle, right? So its radius square is equal to the sum of squares of radii of smaller circles, right? Now radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So we can put r1 as 8 squared, r2 as 6 squared. It is equal to r square. So this will give me 64, 36. This is equal to r square. So this is 100 equal to r square. Hence I can say r is equal to 10 centimeter. Right? Taking the square root, I can say r is equal to 10 centimeter. Right? Now there is a figure that depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring region. What kind of figure will be there? There is an archery target like this. There is a smaller inner circle, right? Then there is outer circle. Then there can be another circle, then other circle, right? And what is given about these circles? These are 5 scoring regions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is 5th scoring region. Okay. Now going from center to outwards as gold, this is, let us say, gold, this will be red, this is blue, I am writing it blue, let us say, and this is black, this is white. Okay. Diameter of the region representing the gold score is 21 centimeter. So the diameter of the innermost circle is 21 centimeter. So if I talk about its radius, how much will be the radius of gold circle? It will be 21 by 2, which is 10.5 centimeter, right? Now look at this area, this red area, right? The width of this area is given as 10.5 centimeter. So this is also 10.5, this radius was also 10.5. Now you consider this circle, this one. Let me change the color and let you know what I am saying here. I am talking about this circle now, right? What is the radius of this circle? Center will remain the same. So now the radius of this circle is 10.5 plus 10.5. So if I consider the gold circle, its radius was 10.5 centimeter. Now radius of the second circle, let us say this is first circle and this is second one. The black is second one. What is the radius of second circle? It is 10.5 plus 10.5, which is equal to 21 centimeter, right? If I consider this as my third circle, this is, let us say, is fourth, this is fifth circle. So what is radius of third circle? You will just add the width, which is 10.5, to get the radius of third circle. So which is 21 plus 10.5, which is equal to 31.5. And radius of fourth circle, add 10.5 in it, 32 plus 10, 42 centimeter. And similarly, you can find the radius of fifth circle, which is 42 plus 10.5, 52.5, right? You keep adding these widths to get the radii of these circles. Okay. Now we need to find area of each of 5 scoring regions. To find the area of gold circle, I just need to do pi r square. Area of gold circle is equal to pi r square, which is 10.5 squared, right? So it is equal to 22 by 7 into, what is 10.5? It is 21 by 2. So 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. You can cancel this like this. So you will have 33 into 21 by 2, right? What is 33 into 21? It is 693. 693 divided by 2. So this area is nothing but 3, 4, 6.5, and the unit is centimeter square, right? So this is the area of gold circle. Now if you want to calculate the area of this red region, this region, what you have to do is, you have to subtract the area of this outer circle minus this area of inner circle to get the area of this band, okay, area of this shaded region. Let us say this is, this figure I have taken here, okay. If I have to calculate this area, I will have to subtract this smaller area, this area, from this bigger area to get this area, okay. So area of blue region, area of red region is equal to pi r square, which is radius of this second circle, which is 21, right, minus area of this circle. So radius is 21 by 2 and you square it. This will be the area of red region. What I have done here is, let us say this is small r and this is big R, okay. What I have done is, I have done pi r square minus r square. So this will give me the area enclosed between these two circles here, right. So this is how you will get this area. This is 10.5, so pi 21 squared minus 10.5 squared. Now just calculation part is left. Pi can be taken as 22 by 7, and this is a square minus b square. So you can do a plus b. 21 plus 10.5 is 31.5 into A minus B. 21 minus 10.5 is 10.5. Okay. Now you just need to multiply these and you will get your answer. So this 10.5 can be cancelled here, 1.5, right? Now you write this as 22 into, you can also write this as 63 by 2, you can write this as 3 by 2. Now you can calculate it. Okay, this is 11 into 3 is 33 into 63 by 2. What is 63 into 33? 189, 970, 2079. So this is 2079 divided by 2. Hence you can write it as 1039.5 and the unit is centimeter square. Okay, this is the area of this scoring region, the red scoring region. Okay, now if you have to calculate the area of blue scoring region, how will you do that? We will subtract the area of third circle minus area of second circle. Area of blue region is given by area of third circle minus area of second circle. And what is the radius of third circle? Radius of third circle is 31.5 and radius of second circle is 21. So this is pi 31.5 squared minus 21 squared. Right? This will be the area of blue region. Now the calculation part is left. You can do it yourself, or let me give you a hint. This is a square minus b square again. So you can do a plus b, which is 30 plus 20 is 50, 52, 52.5. A plus b is 52.5. What is a minus b? A minus b is 10.5. You can again cancel it 1.5 here, and then the calculation part is left. 22 into 52.5 into 1.5. Now you can write this 1.5 as 3 by 2. This 52.5 can be written as 105 by 2 into 22. So this is 11. So 105 into 33, 315, 315, 5, 6, 4, 3. It is equal to 3465 by 2. Okay. So now you can write it as 1,732.5 centimeter square. Right. So this is how you will calculate area of blue region. Now I think this question is clear to you. You can calculate the area of black region by subtracting the area of fourth circle minus area of third circle. For white region, you can subtract the area of fourth circle from the area of fifth circle, right? For black region, what you can do is fourth minus third. For white region, you will do fifth minus fourth. When I say fifth, I mean area of the fifth circle. Okay, this is the radius of the fifth circle. So you will do pi 52.5 squared to get the area of fifth circle minus pi 42 squared. Okay, this is how you will get the white region. So I hope you can calculate these two regions yourself as a practice. Let's move to the next question. Okay, the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. Okay, how many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Now, the diameter of the wheel is given as 80 centimeter. So, what will be its radius? Radius is 40 centimeter, and the concept here is that let us say this is the wheel. Okay. Now, look at this point. This point is touching the ground. Okay. Now, if this wheel rotates and completes one revolution, okay, let us say this wheel is rotating like this. Okay, if this wheel rotates and this point P will come back to this position, okay, come back to this position, then we will say that this is complete revolution. Okay, and how much distance will be covered in one revolution? It will be equal to the circumference of the circle, right? You take any coin and then fix a point, mark a point there, and then you rotate it completely. In one revolution, it will move a distance equal to its circumference. So, this distance will be equal to its circumference, which is 2 pi r. Okay. So, in one revolution, the distance covered will be 2 pi r. Now, look at this question. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So, you just calculate the distance covered by the wheel in 10 minutes first. Okay. What will be the distance covered in 10 minutes? We know that speed is 66 km per hour, right? Now, I need the unit as centimeter and minutes. So, let us convert this. 66 kilometer to meter, I will multiply by 1000. Now, 66,000 meters. Okay. If you multiply the meters by 100, you will get the centimeter. So, this is the 66 kilometer converted into centimeters. Now, in the denominator I have hours. Okay. So, 1 hour has got 60 minutes. Okay. So, this speed now is in centimeter per minute. Okay. I have changed the unit as per our requirement. Now, you can cancel this. This is 11, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Centimeter per minute is the speed now. In 10 minutes, what will be the distance travelled with this speed? In 10 minutes, distance travelled will be 11, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 10, right? This is the distance travelled in 1 minute. If you multiply it by 10, this is the distance travelled in 10 minutes in centimeter. So, this is 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 lakh centimeter. Okay. Now, how many revolutions? So, in one revolution, what is the distance travelled? In one revolution, distance travelled is equal to 2 pi r. R is radius. So, what is 2 pi is taken as 22 by 7. What is the radius? It is 40 centimeter. So, take it 40. In one revolution, the distance is travelled this much. This is in centimeter. Okay. And in 10 minutes, the distance travelled is this much. So, number of revolutions will be equal to this total distance in 10 minutes and distance travelled in one revolution, which is 2 into 22 by 7 into 40. Now you have to calculate this and you will get your answer. Okay, so how do you calculate it? 11. This 7 can be taken in the numerator. 2 into 22 into 40. This is 2, 1, right? 1 0 is gone, and this is 4. So let's divide it by 4. 2500 into 7 divided by 4. So this can further be divided by 4. 625 into 7. Now you multiply these. 4375 revolutions in 10 minutes. Okay. By calculating the number of revolutions, how do I calculate the number of revolutions? I know that the distance traveled in one revolution is this much. Okay, and I know the total distance that I have in 10 minutes is this much. So if I divide it by this, I'll get the number of revolutions. Okay, so this is how I have solved this question. 4375 revolutions. Now let's look at this question here. Tick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is. Let us say radius is r units. Okay. Now as per the question, perimeter is equal to area numerically. Okay. Numerically, what does it mean numerically? Perimeter, unit of perimeter is meter, let us say. So unit of area is meter square. Okay, but numerically they can be equal. Perimeter can be 10 meter and area can be, let us say, according to that, I have taken a hypothetical figure. Let us say the perimeter is 4 pi and area is also 4 pi, right? So perimeter is equal to area. What is perimeter with the radius r? It is 2 pi r. It is equal to area, which is pi r square. Okay. Now I can cancel this pi on both sides and take everything else on one side. Let me take 2r on the right hand side. So 0 is equal to r square minus 2r. If I take r common, it will be r minus 2. Okay. So from this I can say r is either 0 or r is equal to 2. But if r is 0, the circle will become a point. Okay. So r here is 2, and out of these options also 0 is not given, so it is 2 units. Okay. So 2 units is the radius of this circle. Okay. So this was it for this exercise. Now we will do some of the questions which appeared in your previous year board examinations.